डियर स्टूडेंट्स, तो आज के वीडियो में हम सबसे पहले शुरू करने जा रहे हैं फर्स्ट मैथ जो स्टैंडर्ड 6 का है, जैसे आप स्क्रीन पर देख रहे होंगे। तो उसके चैप्टर नंबर 1 से स्टार्ट ले रहे हैं, और जैसे ही आर एस अग्रवाल का मैथ्स अवेलेबल होगा फिर हम क्रमशः उसको लेकर आगे बढ़ेंगे और हम इसका एक्सरसाइज 1 देखते हैं। ओके, next exercise, select 1.1. It is the number system, and I hope you are seeing very well. It is exercise 1 of our standard 6. I am going to write exercise 1.1. First question is, place the following numerals in the Indian place value charts and write their names also. It is very easy. We have to place this number in Indian place value chart. So at first we have to draw the Indian place value chart. At first we draw some lines. Hence we have to write 1. It is periods. Here crores, here lakhs, here thousands, and here ones. So this type you have to draw the Indian place value chart, and one by one we have to understand here. In crore 2 periods, in lakhs 2 periods, in thousands also 2 period, but in ones it will be 3 periods. Here 10 crores, here crores, here 10 lakh, here lakhs, 10,000, thousand, hundred, tens and ones. And one by one, at first we have to write the number A 584963, B 7854963, C 4107618, D 1596384, and at last E 14678,304. It is some numbers that we are placed in this period, and one by one we have to place from the side of ones 3, 6, 9, 4, 8, 5, and in these periods 3, 6, 9, 4, 5, 8, 7, and here also 8, 1, 6, 7, 0, 1, 4, 4, 8, 3, 6, 9, 5, 1, 4, 0, 3, 8, 7, 6, 4, 1. So it is the number that we place in the Indian place value chart, and at last we have to write one by one its number names also. So at first we have to write the number 584963. To write its number name, we have to give the comma, first comma after 3 digits and second after 2 digits. Like this we have to place the comma after 2 digits, but first comma will be after 3 digits from this side, right to left. And we have to write, we are seeing here in Indian place value chart, first 5,84,963. So at first we have to write here 5,84,000. We have to read it along with 84 thousands 963. 963. So like this you have to type the number names by following this table. At last I am writing E number, first number 14678,304. Here is 1 crore, it is in 1 crore. We have to write here 1 crore 46 lakh 46 here 46 lakhs 78,304. 304. So it is the place value and the number names according to Indian place value chart. Question number 2. Place the numerals in international place value chart and write number names also. At first I have seen in question number 1 it is according to Indian place value chart, but in question number 2 we have to follow international place value chart. So at first we have to draw international place value chart. How can we draw? We have to understand here. Okay, first we write here periods. After writing periods, billions. After billions, millions. After millions, thousands. After thousand, it will be ones. Billions has 2 parts, millions have also 2, not 3, and thousands it will be 3, and ones also it will be 3. Ten billions and billions, 100 million, 10 million and million, 100,000, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones. One by one we have to put the number here. 738946. B number 912068. C number 5640962, and D number 8139645. This international place value charts, and from this side we have to place every digits according to their place. 6 4 9 8 3 7. Next 86090465469468. After seeing this, we have to write the number names. A number. First, we have to follow it. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. It means we have to read it 738,000. 738946. How we can reach 738 738,000 946. And next, according to follow this, we have to write one by one every numbers in the form of the number names. And D number 81396454. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. 10 million means we have to read along with 81 million, 396 454 454. That is number name according to International Place Value chart. Question number 3. Write the following numbers in the expanded form. Numbers in expanded form. Numbers in expanded form. A number 456783. How can we write the expanded form? It has 3 types. First, according to periods, like this: ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. It means first we can write here 4 into 1 lakh. After writing 4, we have to give how many numbers according to 0. It means like this. And 5, after 5 it is 4 digits. It means we have to place 40, and after 6 it is 3 digits, 130, plus 7 into 100 plus 8 into like this, and at last 3. But second rule is 4 in the form of the 10 to the power 4 plus 5, it will be 5 into 10 to the power 4 plus 6 into 10 to the power 3 plus 7 into 10 to the power 2 plus 8 10 to the power 1 plus 3 into 10 to the power 0. It's a methods we can write. And question number 4. Write the short form of the following. Short form. It is very easy. First question is 6 into 160 plus 5 into 1 50 plus 4 into 1 000 plus 3 into 100 plus 8 into 10 plus 7 into 1. So at first we have to arrange. How can we write? First we have to give the care first number. 6 into 1, 60. It means 60. We can distance. It is at the beginning period, so we can take the steps like this. It is 50. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will be 5. Here 30. 1, 2, 3. Here 4. 00. Here 3. 8. At last 7. 7 1 is 7. 8. 8 7 8 3 4 0 5 6. So it is the number, but the residents who know the value of these numbers, then directly it can be placed like this. Write the place value of underlined digits. Digit 7 8 6 4 1 8 9. Fully underlined. So we have to find the place value. Place value in Hindi we can say asthaniya maan. So we have to count 4, 1s, 10s, 100, 1000. It means 4 is at the place of 1000. It means 4000 equal to 4 into 1000 equal to 4. Directly we can write here. It underlined it after this digit. It is 3 digits. So we can directly give the value of 3 digits. Question number 6. Find the difference or the place value of both A place value of place value of both 8s in 5 7 8 9 6 8 4. But first we have to write the number, and one by one we have to find the value of both is, that is same. 8 at the place of tens and 8 at the place of 10,000s. So at first we have to find the value like this. 8 into 10 equal to 80, and 8 into 10,000 equal to 80,000. At last we have to write here the difference. Difference means we have to do subtract. 80,000 will be above and 80 is just below, and we have to find the difference 79,920. So its answer is like this. And question number 7. Sum of the place value of both 5 in 7 8 5 4 9 5 6. At first we have to write the number 7 8 5 4 9 5 6, and according to this we have to find the value of both 5. First 5 is at the place of tens, and second 5 is at the place of 10,000s. So one by one we have to find the place value of both digits. 5 into 10 equal to 50, 5 into 10,000 equal to 50,000, and we have to find at last its sum. So at first we have to write like this: 50,000 plus 50 equal to 50,050. So students, in this video up to here, it is the first part of exercise 1. It means 1.1, and next video it will be based on total finishing chapter. Thanks a lot.